Hello, in this video, we're going to cover something called running a trial to produce the future forecast or inferences. So for non-time series forecasting models, so for classification models and regression models that are also available in the Sway platform, we need to do that to actually produce the future forecast. And the way to do that is once you've successfully trained one or more models and you want to produce inferences or for a new data set, you'll be asked to upload that data set, which has to be in the same format as the data set used to train the model minus the target column. For time series forecasting models like this one, we don't necessarily have to run a trial to produce the inferences. They'll be produced automatically, but we do have to run a trial to be able to see the inferences within the platform. Otherwise, the only way to see them is to create a dashboard and to build a table widget. But I'll show you what happens if we actually run them here. We can see them in the platform. So if I click up here and I say start trial, and I call this trial run LGBM, for example, and I select the LGBM model and I click start trial, you'll see now, in addition to the performance, which shows us how the model performed, and the feature insights, which show us the top 10 features in predicting our target variable, which is revenue forecast by region in this case, we now have this new tab, which is trial results. And you'll see these are future revenue values. So this is actually the forecast. And it shows it as a line graph. And then as you scroll down here, you'll see the Sway AI tag of inference. And now we can get the data by date, by region, whatever the columns we use to group our data by when we created the forecast. And another nice advantage of running the trial in a time series forecast is if we selected a different model called a DARTS model. So you'll see here we selected LGBM, but if we go up to model training, there's also a DARTS LGBM, and there's a DARTS XG boost, and there's a DARTS cat boost. If we had selected one of these DARTS models, we would be able to run something called a what-if analysis. And in order to do that, we need to download the inferences. So we need to run the trial first. And then we can change one or more values within the inferences to see how that impacts the forecast. So those are the use cases for starting a trial and running a trial to produce inferences in the Sway AI platform. Thank you for watching.